Hello investors and traders, today I'll speak about 3 dividend stocks, nice American stocks that provide you a dividend yield more than 5%. They provide you a passive income, so I hope it will be interesting and useful. So let's start with the first company, it's AT&T. So AT&T is North America's second largest wireless service provider and one of the world's leading communication services carrier. We can see that its market cap 130. It's trailing 12 months. Dividend yield is about 7% and its forward dividend yield is now 6%. Let's check its earning. Yeah, we can see that on an annual basis its EPS, yeah, its EPS earning is going to be stable even for the future 3 years. It will show a little grow. And if we will check the revenue, let me check the estimated revenue. Yeah, of course it will fall, but in my mind in the future 2-4 year it will show it will be stable, so I don't worry for a dividend. Here we can see its dividend payment. We can see that its dividend yield is last year's was 7%, 6%. Now, last year it was even above 8%. So very nice dividends of AT&T. Also, please check that here we have the profit margin, net profit margin, and last quarters it's a quarterly basis. We can see that it's even increasing. It's very good and very nice, because 4 quarters ago it was 12, then 13, 14, and last quarter it was even above 20% net profit margin. So it's very nice marginality. Also, the payout ratio is now only half, 50%. So it's AT&T, the company, can even increase its dividend payment in my mind. And let's have a look on its chart using the Elliott wave. In my mind it was the first wave, the second, the third. Here there is a correctional one, the first wave, 3 ABC move in my mind, ABC and BC and ABC, and now I'm expecting the wave 5. So most probably will the price of it stock will be above 40. So if now we only 18, so it's can show us a few x's, so it can be 30, 40, maybe, yeah, maybe 50 in the future 5-10 years, except the price appreciation. Of course, we have the nice dividend yield. So AT&T to one of the best stocks for me for now. I'm buying. Of course, I have shares of this company in my portfolio. So AT&T is the first stock for today. The second stock for today, it's Sociedad Quimica u Minera. It's one of the world's largest lithium producers, with one of the industry's least impactful water, carbon and energy footprints. The company earning outlook has turned bright over the last several months. Let's have a look on its fundamental parameters. We can see that its total score is 83. It's very high score. Its financial position also very strong. Let's have a look on that too. EBITDA ratio is less than 1. The interest coverage, the 30, and the cash to debt 1. Cash to debt ratio of 1 means that, look what it means, that the ratio of the debt to cash is about no, the amount of cash on the balance sheet of this company is actually the same like the debt. So any problems with that, because at any time if the company, for example, has problems, any problems with, I don't know, with production, with revenue, and also maybe some accidents, so it always can just take the cash and very fast to solve it problems. So the marginality also very high. It's very impressive, by the way. The gross margin is more than 50%, and net margin is more than 30%. So ROE, return on equity, return on assets, very high figures. And also please have attention here that in the last 3 years the revenue, EBITDA, and DPS show the increasement by double digits, more than 10%. But for the future year, the EPS, the earning per share, for the future 3 or 5 years will be the expectation, yeah, so will be more than 30%. So it's very impressive. It's a lot. The evaluation P now is 14, but the forward only 5. So it looks very cheap, not expensive at all. And the PS, price per share, below 5. For such marginality, it can be 10, maybe 9, but we have only 5. So in my mind, it's not, no, I can sell it, it's cheap, but for me it's not expensive. And the dividend, let's talk about the dividend today. Our topic about dividend: current dividend yield is more than 6%. The payout ratio, we remember At&T it was 50%, here it's a little bit more, but still the company have a potential to increase its dividend payments. And also the 3-year dividend growth rate is 14%, so it's also very nice, and very nice position for you as shareholders. I think it's very cool. And the forward dividend yield is even 7.6%. So yeah, it's a real dividend king, dividend aristocrat in my mind. So pay attention to this Chile company. And if we will look and if we look on the chart, yeah, actually now it's traded on its historical high levels. Here it was a range between 16 to 60, but now we got out of this range. So there is side momentum indicator telling us that we already overbought. Maybe here it can be a small correction, but then in my mind, yeah, after the correction, it's I think I will start to continue, and then after the correction, I think that of course I will start to buy this stock. And the last stock for today, it's Williams Companies. It's a premier energy infrastructure provider in North America, with core operations including finding, producing, gathering, processing, and transporting natural gas and natural gas liquids. Let's have a look on this company, Williams Companies Inc. So here the debt to EBITDA ratio is above 4, so it's not so high. The interest coverage only 2.5, so it's not crucial, but still pay attention. So it's not so good like the previous Chile's company like At&T, but the profitability is very strong. Very high. The gross margin 30, net margin is 70%. So quite high profitable company. And let's have a look on its chart. We can see the William has ticker WMB. So here in my mind, yes, remember that it's my humble opinion. It was the first wave, the second, the third wave is usually the largest wave in impulse. So here it was some kind of correction. Yeah, clean ABC move, and now as I see it, going to be the fifth wave. The fifth wave is usually higher than the third one, so most probably we can see this stock even higher than 40 bucks. So in this case, there is a nice potential of about 20% in the nearest future. So yeah, quite nice potential dividend yield of more than 5%. The market cap is 40 billion. So structure and income generating portfolio is a widely deployed strategy, and in this year many investors have part cash and dividend paying stocks, helping caution drawdowns in other position. All these stocks above At&T, the Williams companies, and the Sociedad, the Quimica currently carry annual dividend yield greater than 5%. In my channel I have a lot of videos about dividend stocks, stock market, stock analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis. If you like this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next time. Bye.